Now it's time for the Intense 5. Let's go! Is Poppy going into construction? Believe me, anything is possible when it comes on to him. He recently posted his newest acquisition on IG. We wish him all the best. A good look. So, it looked like Roomba just released that video with him being accosted by the police in the States at a time that would have everyone talking. However, it's a music video. Stay safe, Roomba, please. Sumfest has officially launched and Tommy Lee was in the building to show everyone that he will definitely be there. Okay. Busy and Idonia? Was it just a photo op or will there be a collab? We know there was tension ages ago, but let's hope that them squash all of that and just have moved on. And finally holding the spot this week, it's being reported that incarcerated dancehall star Vybz Kartel is ill. He's suffering from Graves' disease and a heart condition. Kartel is supposedly in confinement for 23 hours a day after a cell phone was found in his possession. The story has made international news and his lawyer is trying to get solitary lifted. Let's see what happens. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment always.